Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel, your source for the latest AI-generated news on XRP, crypto, and precious metals. My 100% AI-generated news content is based on real-time events and is uploaded 1 to 4 times a day. Stay ahead of the curve and subscribe to our channel to experience the cutting edge of news reporting. Check out my recently uploaded videos to stay fully informed. Xrp New News Updates. A cryptocurrency analyst known as Xrp is optimistic about a potential significant surge in the price of XRP in the coming weeks. In a YouTube video uploaded on November 29, the analyst outlined a combination of technical and fundamental factors that he believes could contribute to a rally in the cryptocurrency. Drawing attention to a recent Cointelegraph article, Xrp pointed out the emergence of a bull flag pattern on XRP's price chart. This pattern typically forms after a robust uptrend and involves price consolidation within a channel. According to the analyst, this pattern usually resolves with the price breaking above the upper channel trendline accompanied by a notable increase in trading volume. If this scenario unfolds for XRP, the potential move could lead to gains comparable to the previous uptrend's peak. While Cointelegraph has projected a 20% surge by the end of the year, Xrp envisions XRP outperforming this estimate. He anticipates the cryptocurrency reaching levels around 92 cents and even surpassing $1 in the near future. Despite widespread expectations of a 20% rally by New Year's, the analyst expresses confidence in XRP exceeding this target significantly. Beyond technical analysis, Xrp highlighted strengthening fundamentals that could support substantial upside. Notably, there has been increased whale accumulation activity, with on-chain data revealing significant XRP purchases totaling $7 million over the past week. Additionally, an anticipated XRP exchange-traded product with characteristics similar to an ETF is set for launch in December. Furthermore, the analyst considers XRP's lackluster price performance in the last 5 Decembers as increasing the statistical likelihood of a robust final month in the current year. He also pointed to XRP's ongoing legal battle with the SEC and historical patterns of consolidation preceding major expansions as factors that make him bullish on XRP and its ecosystem. Xrp specified his belief that XRP holders may be at the beginning of something big, with the convergence of decentralized finance and regulatory developments potentially propelling it to new heights. While acknowledging that massive percentage surges akin to XRP's early days are improbable due to its significantly larger market cap, the analyst remains optimistic about the potential for substantial moves in the cryptocurrency. Xrp New News Updates. Ripple's price has undergone a retracement on both the USDT and BTC pairs in recent weeks. However, there are indications that the market could initiate another bullish movement soon, given its current position at robust support levels. On the USDT paired chart, the price has experienced a decline in the past weeks after facing resistance at the 70 cents level. Presently, the 60 cents support level is acting as a barrier against further downward movement. Even if this support level is breached, there is reliance on the 200-day moving average situated around 55 cents to act as a pivot, potentially propelling XRP to higher levels. In such a scenario, a rally towards the 90 cents level becomes a plausible outcome. Against BTC, the price is currently testing the 1,600 SAT support zone following its inability to sustain levels above the 200-day moving average, positioned around the 1,900 SAT mark. In the event of a bullish rebound, the market is anticipated to ascend towards the 1,800 SAT resistance level and possibly reach the 200-day moving average. A breakthrough above these resistance elements could pave the way for an upswing towards the critical 2,200 SAT area. Nevertheless, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, indicates ongoing bearish momentum, with values below 50%. Consequently, there remains a likelihood of a breakdown below the 1,600 SAT level and a subsequent descent towards the 1,250 SAT support in the short term. Xrp New News Update. Ripple, XRP, a prominent cryptocurrency, recently faced significant resistance around the golden ratio level, approximately 75 cents, resulting in a bearish rejection. This rejection at a crucial resistance point raises the possibility of corrective movements in XRP's price trajectory. Despite the bearish rejection, the monthly chart's moving average convergence divergence, MACD, histogram continues to trend higher in a bullish manner, and its lines maintain a bullish cross. However, the relative strength index, RSI, on the monthly chart remains in neutral territory, offering no clear signals for bullish or bearish momentum, leading to a complex interpretation of future price movements. The weekly chart adds further complexity to XRP's outlook. The MACD histogram on this timeframe shows signs of a potential bearish shift, indicating a possible future bearish crossover. This, combined with a neutral RSI and an existing golden crossover of the exponential moving averages, EMAs, introduces uncertainty regarding XRP's short to medium-term price action. After rebounding from the 0.382 Fibonacci support level at around $0.572, Ripple seems to be resuming its correction. The critical support level now stands at approximately 46 cents, marked by the next significant Fibonacci support level. This level will play a pivotal role in determining whether XRP can sustain its bullish momentum or if a deeper correction is imminent. Examining the 4-hour chart reveals the potential formation of a death cross, indicating a bearish trend in the short term. The MACD lines have crossed bearishly, though the RSI is nearing overbought territory, and the MACD histogram displays some bullish movement. Ripple has approximately 5% room for downward movement before reaching the next Fibonacci support level. Against Bitcoin, Ripple has returned to the golden ratio support level at approximately 0.0000155 BTC and has been trading within a range for the past 15 months. The MACD histogram on the monthly chart trends lower in a bearish manner, while the RSI remains neutral. As Ripple navigates these technical levels and indicators, traders and investors should closely monitor price action around key support and resistance levels. The mixed signals across various charts and indicators suggest that Ripple's future price direction may hinge on its ability to maintain support levels and break through resistance barriers. Xrp New News Updates. Billy Bambara has highlighted the remarkable surge in Bitcoin's price, soaring from approximately $15,000 to $38,000 within the past year. Similarly, XRP has experienced significant growth, increasing over 56% from $0.3986 to 61 cents over the same period. Bambara, a Forbes contributor, points to a substantial influx of capital anticipated to enter the crypto market based on a projection by Tom Farley, the former president of the New York Stock Exchange. This surge is expected to coincide with the approval of the long-awaited Bitcoin Spot Exchange Traded Fund, ETF. Farley expressed confidence in the impact of a Bitcoin ETF, stating, "Money will flood into the industry with a Bitcoin ETF. It's just easy to buy it. People believe in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a great invention. It is a store of value." Farley's sentiment aligns with the general market optimism, especially after BlackRock's filing for a Bitcoin spot ETF triggered a rush on Wall Street to introduce a Bitcoin fund. Bambara also noted Coinbase researchers forecast that the impending Bitcoin ETF boom could lead the $48.3 trillion US wealth management industry to enter the crypto market in a significant way. The Forbes contributor mentioned a legal triumph for prominent asset manager Grayscale against the US regulator, where a US court instructed the SEC to reevaluate Grayscale's proposal to transform into a Bitcoin spot ETF. Despite the optimism, Bambara acknowledged some caution among market observers regarding the potential impact of a Bitcoin ETF. Lawrence Latimer, CEO of Dinara, cautioned that the actual uptake might be slower than anticipated, despite widespread predictions of enthusiasm surrounding the approval and launch of a Bitcoin ETF and an Ethereum ETF. However, Latimer believes that approving a Bitcoin ETF would drive increased demand for Bitcoin, propelling prices and reshaping public perception from a potential negative headline to a positive force, accelerating mainstream adoption. Ultimately, the approval of a Bitcoin spot ETF is expected to lead to increased value for Bitcoin and potentially other digital assets like XRP, ushering in a comparable upward trajectory. Xrp New News Update. As the highly anticipated Evernode airdrop draws near, a surge of XRP enthusiasts is flocking to XRP to take advantage of the upcoming opportunity. This unexpected spike in interest has led to widespread adoption of the XRP wallet, with more than 10,000 new users signing up in a single day. Xrp Wind, the founder of Xrp Ledger, XRPL, took to social media to share a chart screenshot illustrating the significant increase in daily adoption of XRPL's non-custodial wallet. Wind referred to this surge as Mount Evernode XRPL, and highlighted that on November 26, Wallet recorded 17,330 active new users, with the numbers steadily growing. Due to the growing excitement surrounding the Evernode airdrop, the active users of Wallet soared to 25,377. This represents a 45% surge from previous records, with an influx of 10,000 new users within 24 hours. Evernode has announced a targeted launch schedule for December 18, intending to deposit around 5,160,960 EVAs into the airdrop hook exclusively accessible to participants. To participate in the airdrop, users must register their XRPLR addresses on the Evernode platform before the December 11 deadline. The airdrop has two categories, one for XRP holders and another for beta testers. XRP holders need to import their R address onto Zaho, an XRPL sidechain, and set a trust line for EVA's issuing address. Beta testers are required to import their R address keys onto the wallet. Concerns have been raised within the XRP community regarding the safety of using private keys on the wallet to access the airdrop. Crypto Insightuck, a crypto influencer, expressed worries about the unique conditions of the Evernode airdrop and sought confirmation from the community on its legitimacy. Some community members have opted not to participate in the Evernode airdrop due to potential security risks, while others have sought assurance from Xrp Wind to verify the legitimacy of the requirements. Additionally, some find the qualification process for this airdrop overly complicated. They reference past instances where airdrop tokens, if sold immediately, proved to be profitable, while holding onto such tokens in the hopes of future price increases led to losses. Examples include tokens like Songbird, Flare, and Sologenic, Core, and the Xcore token, which are all now considered virtually worthless. Xrp New News Updates. In a closely watched legal battle within the cryptocurrency community, Ripple Labs remains engaged in a legal dispute with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Despite early setbacks for the SEC, the agency's appeal and unresolved legal questions leave the outcome of the lawsuit uncertain. The ongoing litigation has prompted questions about the reasons for its continuation and the potential outcomes. The SEC is appealing the ruling that XRP is not a security, relying on the Howey test, a four-prong test used to determine whether an asset qualifies as a security. The SEC asserts that XRP meets all four prongs of the Howey test, justifying its classification as a security. Even if the SEC's appeal is unsuccessful, two key issues remain unresolved. Firstly, the sale of XRP to retail investors is contested. While the district court judge initially ruled that Ripple's sale of XRP to retail investors on public exchanges did not violate securities laws, the SEC argues otherwise and seeks reconsideration. Secondly, the fair notice doctrine is raised by Ripple, claiming that the SEC's definition of a security is too vague and did not provide fair notice that XRP would be considered a security. The court has yet to rule on this matter. Various potential outcomes are conceivable. If the SEC's appeal succeeds, XRP could be deemed a security, obliging Ripple to register it with the SEC, likely impacting XRP's price negatively. Conversely, if the appeal fails, XRP would not be considered a security, alleviating registration requirements and potentially boosting XRP's price. Ripple consistently asserts that XRP is not a security, emphasizing its utility within its ecosystem rather than as an investment contract. Ripple argues that the SEC's actions lack clarity, contending that the agency's approach to defining securities is ambiguous and prejudicial. The ongoing legal clash between Ripple and the SEC has broader implications for the cryptocurrency landscape. The eventual outcome may establish a precedent influencing how regulatory bodies classify digital assets, shaping future regulations and providing clarity in the crypto sphere. AI Precious Metals New News Updates. Gold and silver prices have shown strength around midday on Wednesday. February gold futures reached a 6-month high during the overnight session, while March silver achieved a 3-month high. The positive momentum in the two precious metals is attributed to their increasingly bullish near-term chart patterns. Additionally, the recent decline in the US dollar index, which hit a 3.5-month low overnight, is considered a bullish factor for the metals markets. As of the latest update, February gold is up $3.90 at $2,064.10, while March silver has gained $0.138, reaching $25.44. The bullish trend in both gold and silver prices reflects market optimism and positive sentiment, with technical factors playing a significant role in their recent upward movement. This completes the Xrp New News Updates video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.